This video will explore how to create a custom widget that you can put within your own homepage. A reminder that your homepage of your course shell is essentially anything below this course banner. So all of these widgets are able to be moved, deleted, customized, and in this case, new ones added. So to begin, go up to Edit Course, go to Home Pages, and the first thing we're going to do is go to Widgets, because we're going to create a new widget. So that big blue button here, click that. And for the purpose of this video, let's assume I'm creating a custom widget that includes a bunch of links that will be helpful to students for my film and video course. So name of it would be specific to you. This is generally not the one that students will see if you don't have the name displayed for your widgets, but I might say film and video links. I'm going to skip over release conditions because they're going to be fine by default. And then content will basically be a wide open HTML page essentially. And in this case, you could embed things. So if you get an embed code from YouTube or an embed code from anything within Microsoft Office or whatever program you're using, this would be where you'd paste it and it would display within the widget. This is a even simpler widget in that it is just a collection of links. So here are my links that I want to show. I'm going to paste them in just like that. Let's say I want to underline that. Again, you can play around with colors and things like that if you choose. I'm going to center them because I know I'm going to be putting these in a bit of a smaller widget, and I want it to kind of always be centered looking no matter what screen size they're looking at. And I'll show you what I mean by that when we actually put this widget to use. And at that point, we're done. Just press save and close. And your widget will now show up in this list. Now, the last step is basically inputting that widget into your homepage. Now, hopefully you've already watched the how to edit and customize a homepage video. If you haven't, you will have to actually go to the default one that's used and copy it. But in this case, I've already done that. So I'm going to go and click on the copy that I am using. Scroll down. And I'm going to put the widget in this smaller area here. Press add widgets. And I'm just going to search for the name that I used. There it is. Press add. And I'm going to move it right up to the top. Now, an important note is this widget only exists within this shell. So if you go to another shell right now, you will not find this in your list of widgets. It only exists within the shell. However, you can absolutely copy and import it over to other shells, which there is a video showing how to copy and import as well that you can go see. Press save and close. It will save it. Again, make sure that you're actually using the correct homepage. So in this case, I've already gone through that other video and made sure that I'm using the copied version. So this is my own version of my homepage. So it's already set to default. I'm going to go back and just show what we created. And there's my film and video links right there. Now I might go in and say, there's too much space in between here. So you can go back and absolutely edit this widget and go in and do some further editing to make it look the way you want. But that's essentially the ins and outs of how to create a custom widget.